Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing / doing a first impression of the new Makeup by Mario products. I'm so excited because Mario has been one of my makeup idols for a very long time now. I absolutely love his work. I'm obsessed with everything he does. I just feel like he's a total master at makeup. So I expect this to be nothing short of amazing, but of course this is going to be an honest first impression as usual. I am going to make sure that I give you guys my real thoughts and first impressions on this beauty line, just like I do with every other first impression that I do. But I'm so excited about this. I really can't wait to open it. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me if you do. It shows your support to me, so I appreciate that. But if you want to see my first impression and unboxing kind of thing of the new Makeup by Mario products, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. I am really excited about this. I didn't get everything from the makeup line. I just got the things that kind of looked the most intriguing for me. I didn't want to spend like a ton of money, so I just got whatever I thought I was gonna use the most, which is the Master Crystal Reflector highlighter, the Master Secret Glow highlighter, because you guys know how I am with my highlighters. I got the Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. I really wanted to get those shimmery shades. That palette was just mesmerizing, but I have so many of those kinds of shadows that I use already, so I thought that I would get a lot more use out of the mattes. So that is the one I chose. And then I also got the Master Pigment Pro pencil, the one that's double-sided. It has like that eyeliner pencil on one side and then a brush to smoke it out on the other side. I was really excited about that. And then I got two brushes. I got the EF2 and the E5 brush. So I will get into all of that. So obviously as we go through, I'm going to be applying these to my eyes. So I think I'm going to first open the eyeshadow palette so that we could swatch all of those shades. Then I will apply some onto my eyes, and then we'll get into these babies that I'm extremely excited for. And then of course we'll finish off with that eyeliner and then the brushes somewhere in between. So let's start with this eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited about this. Oh, this is kind of hard to open. I really like how simple and sleek this packaging is. Like, I love the classic just black and white. Really simple but really beautiful. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot open this. I have to rip it. Ugh. Okay, hold on. This is what the actual thing looks like. I really, again, love the simplicity of it. I just love how it's more so focused on the product itself than the packaging. I am a big sucker for packaging, but I absolutely love this. Doesn't feel cheap. It really feels like it's a good quality palette. And on the back, it just has like the names. It just says matte 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah blah on it. And then when you open it, please don't be broken. Oh, hallelujah. Okay. So it comes with a mirror. The whole top is a mirror. I don't want to show you guys on my background, but yeah, it has a mirror. And then these are the shades inside. And I absolutely love this because I feel like there's a type of brown in here for everybody. Like, there's a little bit of everything in it, which I'm sure we can all appreciate. And these are more warm tone browns, which I love. I was prepared for. I wore something that would match. So I'm extremely excited, but let's just get into swatching. All right, I just finished swatching, and I have to say right off the bat that I'm pretty impressed. So here are all of the swatches. I accidentally went out of order on the first row, but I went like this. So I started here and then worked my way across, and then just like that on the other two rows, just because they're numbered 1 through 12 across like that. So I accidentally put number 4 right here. As you can see, this is like the perfect kind of starter shade for me because it literally matches with my skin tone right now. And then this one is actually number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3, which you can also barely see. Number 5, the first one on the second row. Number 6, really beautiful brown. Number 7, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this one. I can already picture it. Number 8, I'm also really obsessed with. 9 is going to be that perfect like fall crease color. 10, another really good fall one. It kind of matches with my shirt right now. 11 is like that really nice deep dark brown, and then 12 is like a black, which I feel like it's not the darkest black that I own, but I still feel like it's pretty good. All of these were pretty pigmented. I did dip my fingers in quite a few times though to get this. So do I have more pigmented palettes? Yes. But is this bad? Not in the slightest. So far they swatched really nicely, so I am not complaining at all. I'm a happy girl right now. And they all felt really creamy and smooth, and they were really easy to get on your finger. It wasn't like those kind of rough, papery feeling shadows. Like these, you can tell that there was time and effort put into them. They just feel like they're really good quality. They literally feel like whipped cream. Like you're putting whipped cream on your arm. It was just really nice. So next I want to get into the brushes just because we're gonna start applying these shadows. So I want to be able to use the brushes too. So this first brush is the EF2. I think this one is like a blending brush. And then this other one, which is the E5. This one is gonna be a smaller one, I already know. I only got 2 of the brushes because these were the 2 that were the most intriguing to me. Yeah, so this one is kind of like to smoke out, I believe, which is gonna come in very handy, but I do have another one of those on the double end of that eyeliner. So I actually just wanna start out with applying to my entire lid, and I think I'm gonna use number 2 right here for that because that one was the closest to my skin tone. I'm not using one, okay, so there's fallout in here, but I kind of like when I see fallout because I feel like I've had good experience with eyeshadow palettes that have a lot of fallout, like the Natasha Denona ones, for example. So much fallout, but those are so pigmented and so amazing and easy to blend, so I don't mind it at all, but be aware that there is fallout. So I'm just dipping one of my Zoeva brushes into number 2, and I'm going all over my lid just to make sure that everything is set and ready to go. So I think I'm gonna start off pretty light and just start with this in my crease. It's number 4. This is gonna be very light. You're barely gonna be able to tell it's there, but I wanna start off nice and light. So I'm just, but this brush is so nice. It literally feels like I'm rubbing like a feather across my eye. It's really soft, really nice. I think I'm gonna take number 7 right here with that same brush and just also work that into my crease with a light hand. Wow, so far I am loving this. This is just totally up my alley as far as the color scheme goes. These are my kind of nudes and neutrals. I just love warm toned browns so much. So I'm really excited. But I think next I'm going to use this shade right here, which is number 10. I'm gonna use just one of my MAC brushes. It's my MAC, I think 217. I'm taking number 10. And I'm gonna just do that a little bit lower into my lid. I don't want to go too hard on my eyes, so I think I'm going to leave it at this. But I think now I'm going to use this little brush, the E5, and I'm just going to dip back into number 10 and just line my lower lash line. Right now I am in love. Those were so easy to blend out, and I feel like this brush is so amazing. I actually really love both brushes, but I mainly use this one, and it's so soft, and I feel like it really helped to blend everything together so perfectly. But now I want to try the Master Crystal Reflector as a kind of lid shade, because I saw Mario doing that in one of his mini master classes when he was presenting these. So I got the shade Quartz. I felt like that would go with the most looks. So this is what, oh my goodness. Let me peel this off. I already know I'm gonna love this. This looked good in pictures, but it looks even better in person. I don't know if this is even, I don't think the camera's even doing it justice, to be honest. The amount of sparkle that's in here is ridiculous. Okay, let's do a little, oh my god, this literally feels like butter, you guys. Wow. This is kind of like one of the shimmers from the Pat McGrath palettes. Like, that's how sparkly this is. And I'm obsessed with the shimmers from Pat McGrath. So I'm just taking some on to my finger, and I'm using my finger to apply to my lid. Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous. I'm just taking this and I'm blending out the crease so it's not too harsh right there. This is insane. So I just did like a quick little messy job with this, but oh my god, was that easy to put on. This, like, I can't even put into words for you guys how soft this was. Like, when I was putting it on my finger, it literally felt like I had like butter on my finger and it was just slipping across. Like, that's how smooth it is. And it was so easy to apply. There was like no fallout. I have maybe like a couple glitter spots, and other than that, like, no fallout on that one. And I could literally just look at this all day. Now I need the other two shades. I wanted to get one because I wasn't sure about the other two, but now I need them. Now I know I'm gonna get them. But that's my thought on that. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna be using this a lot. This is not the last you guys have seen of this highlighter. But next I wanna take the Master Secret Glow highlighter, and I wanna put this on my cheeks because I love that kind of wet glow on your cheeks. I really prefer that over the kind of shimmery highlighter. I just like it to look natural. Like, I like it to look like I'm just glowing because my skin is glowing, not because I applied a bunch of product. And that's what I kind of got from the little master classes he was doing on this. But this is what it looks like. It's just like a clear kind of thing. And then he said to take your finger, swirl your finger around, which is what I'll do. And it's supposed to work pretty well over other products, so I'm hoping for the best right now. But let's apply. god, this is literally giving me exactly what I want. Like, it's not too crazy shiny, but it's literally giving me the perfect amount of glow. Like, you can just see it on my cheeks. Like, there's a tension on them, but it's not like that kind of powdery, shimmery glow. It's like a really, really natural glowing from within look, and I am here for it. Oh my god, you guys, this is literally all I want in a highlighter. Look at this. And it dries down so quickly. Like, it doesn't feel crazy sticky on me. So far, I'm obsessed with everything. I'm really shocked at how much I love all of these, but I do. So, last but not least is the eyeliner. So, oh, this is big actually. So this is what it looks like. It's double-sided, so here's the brush. Oh, this is really, really soft too. Ugh. And then here's the liner. I think I'm just gonna do a little messy job on the top and just smoke it out. All right, you guys, so you saw me applying the eyeliner and you saw me kind of smoke it out a little bit. Let me just get a little close up, move my lash so you can see. I gave it that kind of just messy, effortless little tussle, and it turned out perfect. I usually, when I want to get that kind of messy, smoky eyeliner look, I have kind of a harder time with it. I don't know if it's the brush that I use or if it's the eyeliner or both, but this was probably the best thing that I could have bought at this moment because I've been so into that kind of effortless, messy, smoky kind of look. And this made it so easy. Like, the eyeliner itself was so easy to apply. Again, like putting whipped cream onto your face, like so creamy and easy. And this brush, the way that it's shaped and how soft it is made it so easy to kind of smoke out. So overall, this was an amazing product. Overall, all of them were amazing products. I didn't dislike a single one. As you can see, this highlighter is just glowing on me. I'm living for this. I was just looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, damn, this looks good. So I'm completely ecstatic with all of these products. I absolutely love everything. I have zero complaints. I'm just obsessed. So that's all I've got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's a certain product that you wanted to try or that you have tried from the brand, comment down below and let me know what you think. Or if you haven't tried, also comment, let me know what you think of the video, what you think of how everything looks on me, how it turned out. Don't say anything bad about my swatches, I'm still trying to get better. But make sure to also give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me to show your support to me. So subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.